Okay, we're looking at XK150 seat frames just back from our powder coater. We subbed this out. Our guy does a great job with this. The perfect color, the kind of greeny gray color that was original. This is of course XK150 tubular style frames. You only see this part of the frame, but it is an important step. No good putting nice new covers onto old frames. This one is XK140 angled frame. The backrest, again, you only see this part of the frame. We go through and check it all. If it needs repair or straightening, we take care of that. They're all sandblasted and painted as the pivot point nuts. We have these as brand new pieces if necessary. If the originals are in good shape, very often the slot here is damaged and or they're missing completely. So that's common. Anyway, I'm sure you guys would agree the standard of finish here is absolutely perfect and much longer lasting than anything that Jaguar would have done with paint. Okay, XK120. It's typical. Look at this. This is the seat cushion. That very often completely disintegrated like this one. The only thing that's holding it together is the crappy non-original vinyl Naugahyde. The pans, they're in rough condition, but they should glass bead and paint up well. All the tack strips are completely rotten, split. These have to be able to take tack, so all of this needs replacing. Very often this hardwood piece survives well. This piece has dry rotted. The other one looks okay. The hardwood piece on the back, that piece there tends to survive well, looks okay in this. But as you can see, we're going to have to be replacing all those tack strips. Really hard to deal with. These T-nuts get seized in here, and the nuts snap, and the thread on the old-fashioned slot screws break, and it's a hell of a job. But we'll follow it through, and we'll send it all out for powder coating, and we'll look at it when it comes back. Show some preparation work for our work here at BAS for XK backrest frames. We glass bead, and we have a very good powder coating company that we've made this exact original factory color. We bought it in large quantities so that we have the lot, and we strongly recommend powder coating of the frames to this exact original color. We use only 9mm Baltic birch ply as it was originally from the factory. Stainless steel hardware gets replaced. The hardwood pieces on the end, a little block there, and the back piece usually surviving good condition and can be reused, and then all the other tacks have to be replaced where they need to be in very good condition to be able to take a staple and be able to hold the seat cover on. So that's how we do the backrest here at BAS.